Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a brand new tutorial video by WTTN, and today we'll be talking about a brand new subject matter called WordPress. So I have been a developer out and out in Java and .NET for quite some years now, and PHP is something that I have not touched. So it was quite a bit of big surprise for me when I came upon WordPress a few years back. I have developed quite a few websites using this particular application, and it has been fantastic. I still don't understand PHP. I have not done anything in PHP, but WordPress is something which has abstracted the coding part for people, general people who want to create websites or blogs and so on, but have absolutely no knowledge about the coding part, and that's fine. A basic knowledge, a basic understanding of websites and how they work is sufficient, but even if you don't have that, you can very well go ahead and create your very own website using WordPress. It's that simple. So this video we will be talking about making your very own WordPress website on the local host. That means on your machine, hosting it locally. So the number one thing that you need to do is go to wordpress.org and go to the download link. I'll leave the link below in the description. Go ahead and download WordPress right over there. This is version 4.4.2, as you can see. It will be a zip file, so download it, keep it safe and secure. Now we will need something to host this WordPress application somewhere onto your local machine. For that very purpose, we will be using WAMP, Windows Web Development Environment, which encompasses Apache 2, PHP, and a MySQL database. So this is what we need, these two things: WordPress, downloadable WordPress file over here, and the WAMP server, which is free, so you can just go ahead and download it based on whatever version of OS you are running. So after you have downloaded your WordPress and WAMP servers, just install your WAMP server and you will get this beautiful green icon which says WAMP server online. If it is red, it means the services have stopped. Just left click on it, single left click, and just say start all services, and the greenness will return. So after you've done this, so you have your environment ready, you have your WordPress ready, and you have your WAMP environment ready. Your server is online, all set, all ready to go. But before we proceed, we need to do one thing. We need to create a database for our WordPress installation. So what I usually do is just go to your WAMP server, left click on it, and just say PHP my admin. There will be an option called PHP my admin. Just click on it and you get this PHP my admin page. This is the configuration for the MySQL inside your WAMP server. So WAMP server comes with MySQL database services which are running. So all you need to do is go to database, that is the first tab, and you can see your database is listed here. So usually what you need to do is create a fresh database for your website or WordPress installation. That is what I follow. That is a good thing to follow, or you can use any of the existing databases if you have any. So as you can see, you have some databases over here, but usually each and every database, each and every website, sorry, should get its own database. So I'm just gonna go and say random underscore db and just say create, and as you can see, random db has been created. So just refresh the page if you want to, just to see, and as you can see, random underscore db has been created, and that's all. That's the only thing that you need as a prerequisite before you start your WordPress installation. So that was step one of WordPress installation on your local machine. So you have your WordPress zip now. I'm just going to extract it here. Beautiful. So you have this WordPress folder. As you can see, there are a lot of things inside of it. All of them are PHP and configuration files. You don't need to touch them at all. That's the beauty of WordPress. So for my explanation purposes, I'm just going to change the name to, let's say, test website. Fantastic. I'm just going to change the name of the folder to test website. I'm just going to copy it, come inside my WAMP installation. So wherever you have installed your WAMP, I have done it inside eDrive WAMP. I'm just going to come inside it, Inside there will be a folder called www. This is the web server root. As you can see, I already have a WordPress installation running. That is my test environment. I'm just going to add my new WordPress installation, the 4.4.2 WordPress that we just downloaded is copied. As you can see, test website is inside the WAMP www folder. Okay, so let's get on to your internet browser. Just go to localhost, just say /test website. As you can see, I've done this before. So localhost your folder name, whatever is the folder name. Here in my case it's test website. Just go to that particular thing and boom, WordPress is here. So as you can see, WordPress is up and ready for a configuration. So let's do the configuration. Language will be English, United States. Now this is the part where you need to put in your database name. Now we named it random_db. As you can see, we've done it before. So I'm just going to select random_db. WordPress cannot create this database for you, so it's better that you create it. Usually the username will be root and the password will be blank whenever it is a default installation. So it's better to go and change the password of your PHP MySQL databases, but it's fine if you keep it blank as long as it's in the local environment. Now the database host remains localhost, don't change that. Table prefix is something that you can change. It's a good practice if you do, and if you don't, that's fine as well. Now let's go ahead and submit. So alright, it's all up and done. It has connected to the database. As you can see, the services are running. It's all green, so good sign. Just run the install and we're through. Fantastic. So as you can see, the database and WordPress installation have connected. It has created its tables. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill out this beautiful little form here. Site title test website. So I'm going to get a username for this one. I'm just going to go test admin. You can give any kind of username you want, and this password is absolutely horrible, but there's something that is randomly generated, so I'm just going to store it. I'm just going to store it in my new tab. That's not a smart way, but still. Okay, now just going to add in my email. Whoops, I'm just gonna say WhyThisTutorial now at Gmail, so you guys can mail me, WhyThisTutorialNow at gmail.com. So I'm just gonna say discourage search engines from indexing this site. It does not matter whether you check or uncheck this one. It absolutely does not matter, because we are running in a local environment, so that's fine, absolutely fine if you keep it checked or unchecked. So this is going to now actually create your data, your final data for your database, and it is going to create a website called test website, and the username will be test admin and the password will be those random values, whatever. So once it's done, it is going to say successful, WordPress has been installed, and now all you need to do is go to login. So we use test admin as the user, and my password is right here. That's why I kept it ready to go. Come on, let's copy it, let's put in the password, and voila, we are inside our beautiful WordPress configuration. Everything has been done. Now we need to go and just have a look at our website, and this is the website that has been created for us. A very basic website using the basic default theme of WordPress, and that's just about it. WordPress is installed on your local machine. It is running a website. You can do all kinds of testing and new things, try new plugins and all those things. it is going to be fabulous, and it is going to be very easy to do whatever things you need to do to create your very own website. So in the next tutorial video, we'll be talking about what WordPress does, and I'm just going to go through a very basic configuration into making a blog style of website. I'm just going to build a really basic blog, and then we'll see what are the steps involved, what kind of themes to use, what kind of plugins to use, and also what kind of things to keep in mind when you want to try and secure your website. So I really hope that all you guys really loved this particular video. If you did not like anything, just leave a comment below, leave a like, leave your subscriptions, really, which matter the most, I would say, and just give me some feedback and whatever videos you want to see in the future. This was WhyThisTutorialNow, and thank you for watching.